Hi, it's Shun here for ShunsukeFilm.com, and today I'm gonna show you guys how I set up my Zoom H5 to record audio for my videos. Okay, so Zoom H5 is a handy recorder that has 4 channels, and it's got like a stereo microphone on top of it, and also it has 2 XLR. First, just turn it on here and insert your SD card, and the first thing you have to do is go to the menu and go to SD card format. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, done. After you format the card, go to rec format, and I use WAV 48 kilohertz 24-bit. Press OK, and that's pretty much it, you know. Okay, so when you record, it's always a good idea to use a headphone to monitor what you're recording. Okay, and press record. So this one has this LED lights indicate which channel you are using right now. So right now it's LR1, so this LR1 is used. See, so just push the button to use this top stereo mic here, or if you want to use one of those 1 or 2 channels, just press this, and now you're using the channel 1, which is coming from this shotgun mic. Alright, so let's record. Okay, hit record. Now it's recording. So in order to have a right volume, so the loudest sound should be at around -10 to -12 dB, and then you shouldn't go above 0 dB because it'll just clip the audio. So yeah, yep, that's about it. So that's how you record audio using your Zoom H5 sound recorder. That was, well, I recorded the sound from this channel 1, so maybe let's do that from the L and R channel instead of this XLR channel. Alright, hit hit the record button again to stop the recording. Okay. Yep. And then, so let's record it from this microphone. Okay. So in order to switch that from channel 1, just press this and press number 1 again to cut it off, the channel number 1. And so now you're using this microphone. So just I have a thing. Wait. Alright. Okay. Here. Okay, let's record from this top stereo microphone. So this can be used as as a desktop voice recorder. So when you do that, it's a good idea to have a cover like this. Hit record. You don't need this anymore. So do that, and using this, just adjust your volume. Mic check 1 2, mic check 1 2. Alright, now I'm in a good level. So you can record sound like this. How does it sound? Is it okay? Yeah, that's pretty much about it about the Zoom H5 sound recorder. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.